Welcome to our 360 tour of Buffalo Ridge Elementary. I'm Jen Murdoch-Jakeway, the proud principal here, and I am excited to show you around our amazing building. We are a neighborhood school nestled in Castle Pines that focuses on the whole child. We are a family-oriented school where we encourage parent involvement, we love our kids, and we have a very warm feeling here in our building. I can't wait for you to see it for yourself.
Hi, I am Mrs. Mibus. I'm the registrar, health assistant, volunteer coordinator, and a variety of other things at Buffalo Ridge. We'd like to welcome you to our school. When you enter, you would enter towards the front office, and here you will see where students are signed in on the iPad. We have volunteer stickers, and then you would enter in to say hi so we can check in our volunteers. This is our front office. I sit over here in the corner and I'm able to see students and parents that come into the office. And we welcome all volunteers, all parents, students to come. Please say hi to us in the office. And also, this is the health room. This is where students come in if they need to have help with injuries or illness or just need extra love and attention and care, and we're here to help. So we're excited to have you here at Buffalo Ridge with us.
Hi, I'm Chris Littlejohn. I'm Jen's secretary, and I'm another friendly face up here in the front office. We're always here for hugs or any questions your children might have. And if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out at any time.
Hi there, my name is Carrie Lynn Andrew and I'm an administrator here at Buffalo Ridge. Welcome to our building. Our goal here at Buffalo Ridge is to make sure that you feel safe and warm and welcomed at all times. Over here we have our staff on the walls so that you can look at all the faces of the people that support our kids every day. Can't wait to see you. Come on in and visit.
Hi, I'm Kathy Denault. I'm the music teacher at Buffalo Ridge. Take a look around the music room. See if you recognize any instruments. We play games in here, we sing, we dance, instruments. We have a great time in here. Take a look around.
Hi, I'm Sarah Harding. I'm the physical education teacher here at Buffalo Ridge Elementary. Welcome to the gym. There's a lot of cool stuff in here, as you can see. We've got a rock wall, we've got cargo nets, ropes to climb on, basketball hoops, and some really great equipment for kids to use to get active here in the gym. Can't wait to see you in here. Bye.
Hello, my name is Tim Rickman and I am the art teacher here at Buffalo Ridge Elementary, and this is my room, so let me take you on a quick tour. Over here we have all of our toolboxes so that you guys have all kinds of tools to use. Here we have printmaking and oil pastels, and all of our materials are all over here. Sketchbooks. Here's our collage stuff and weaving stuff. Here we have all of our paints and papers, our drying racks. We have all of our painting materials over here, cleaning supplies over there. We have our kiln room that has all kinds of amazing creations from our students. And this is where we get to look at all of your amazing artwork. Welcome, you guys. I cannot wait to see what kind of amazing things you create.
Hi everyone, I am Amy Valek and I am the library specialist here at Buffalo Ridge. Please take a look around our library. We have lots of exciting things for the kids to do here. We have a station center over there where they can play games and to become authors, as well as a checkout station where they can check out all by themselves. Enjoy!
Hello, my name is Tim Rickman and I'm the art teacher here at Buffalo Ridge Elementary, but I'm also lucky enough to be a part of the BRE TV crew. We here at Buffalo Ridge have live streamed announcements run by students, and this is where they do it every day. We have some amazing equipment. The students run the mixer that actually broadcasts out and the teleprompter that will tell people who are on air what they're saying. We have a green screen, so we have a virtual set. It's really special. So if you are lucky enough when you're 4th and 5th grade, you can apply to be a part of our BRE TV crew. Thanks.
Welcome, I'm Sam Winkler. I'm one of the kindergarten teachers here at Buffalo Ridge. Here's my classroom. Take a look around. It's a fun place to be. Welcome.
Hi, I'm Kathy Hoover. I'm a kindergarten teacher here at Buffalo Ridge Elementary, and here's my classroom. As you see over there, they're the cubbies when students come in. We've got our library, some of our stations, playstations, some of our center toys. We've got our large group meeting area with our sit spots. Here's our main teaching area, my table, the art table, and where students sit in cooperative groups. Hope to see you soon.
Hi, I'm Rachel Hildreth, a kindergarten teacher at Buffalo Ridge. Over here we have our dramatic play. We have a sound wall over here, and then over here we have our learning targets for what we're learning. Thanks for visiting.
Hi, my name is Kendra Delaney, and welcome to kindergarten. Here is my room. We have our library over here. We have our dramatic play. If you go around, here's where our cubbies are. Thank you.
I'm Kendall Green. I'm a first grade teacher at Buffalo Ridge. Welcome to my classroom. Over here we have the front carpet area in front of the TV. This is where we sit for most of our lessons. And then around the classroom we have a couple of desks. And then over here is our library area. We have a Christmas tree right now because it's Christmas. We've got some space at my teacher table if you ever come work with me. And some sinks where we put our snacks back there. Our Chromebook cart, some areas to keep our books. That's pretty much it. Thanks for joining me.
Hi, my name's Mrs. Bird, and welcome to first grade. So this is our room. As you can see, as you look around, we have chairs, we have donuts, we have a short table, we have balls. We're all about the flexible seating. Over in this corner, we have a little reading corner. We have some bean bags we can sit on. And so thanks for stopping in.
Hi everyone, my name is Mia Tricarico and this is my room. Over here I have my calendar. Today is a good day for a good day. My TV and my desk and my cozy little library. And I have my reading table, whole bunch of tables behind me for my future students. And my other reading table filled with books. And I'll do another spin for you. This is my room. Thanks for coming. Bye.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Chastain and I teach second grade at Buffalo Ridge. I'll just show you around our room. Here we have our tower garden. We have our new chair pockets that you're gonna put all of your headphones in for your computer. We have our teacher table over here where we're gonna do some reading. We have these fabulous new big screen TVs so that you can see the announcements every morning, and we can do a lot of things visually. On the big board, we have our Chromebooks. In second grade, you get your own computer, so that is amazing. We have all of our math manipulatives and our famous, Star Student chair. Hopefully you will become our new Star Student soon, and you can sit there all week. So we will look forward to seeing you soon. Toodles.
I'm Mrs. Linfors. I teach second grade, and welcome to our room.
Hi, my name is Tina Clinton. I'm a second grade teacher here at Buffalo Ridge Elementary. Just wanted to give you a brief review of my room. You'll see we have our binder cubbies where students put all their wonderful work. We've got great large screen TVs. We do a lot of work up there. We've got our sound wall where we learn all about sounds and different letters and words. And we've got our library over there. And then we also have our math wall. It shows you what we've been working on. And our lovely, wonderful computer cart. Thanks so much. Look forward to seeing you.
Hi, I'm Tara Schaffner. I teach third grade here at Buffalo Ridge Elementary. Third grade is so much fun, and we do so many great things in here. Please come join us. Bye.
Hi, I'm Jen Marzoff. I teach third grade at Buffalo Ridge Elementary. Welcome to my classroom. In this learning space, we have lots of fun activities on a regular basis. We love the Denver Nuggets in this classroom. If you are part of third grade, this is what your area will look like. Thanks so much. Bye.
Hi, I'm Miss McClintock, teacher of third grade here at Buffalo Ridge, and welcome to my classroom. A little bit about the classroom. I have a wall in which we kind of share all the things we are currently learning in the classroom, and it evolves throughout the school year. We have our reading corner over there, have some flexible seating options where kids kind of get to choose how they sit every single day, and just take a look around. We enjoy our time together, and in my classroom, we are a family.
Mrs. Roseman, and I teach fourth grade here at Buffalo Ridge Elementary. We're gonna take a little journey in my room. There's, we have a calm down corner over there, a library center. We also have this brand new TV where we learn lots of awesome things. So I'm excited that you guys are interested in coming to Buffalo Ridge. Go Little Buffaloes!
This is Mary Vu. Welcome to my fourth grade classroom. Take a look around. This is where great learning happens in our classroom. Thanks for stopping by.
Hi there, my name is Carrie Pringle and I'm a fourth grade teacher. Welcome to my room outside in the mobile. So take a look around in our nice cozy little cabin out here. Excuse the mess, we're working on some science. Thanks so much for stopping by. See you soon.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Acosta and I am a fourth grade teacher, and welcome to my classroom. We are out in the cozy cabin and you can kind of take a look around at our reading corner. We've got a great place to display some awesome artwork, and then we also have a great TV for everyone in class to check out what we're working on. Nice to see you. Bye.
Hi, I am Miss Stout, a fifth grade teacher. Welcome to my room. We have an international theme here in my room. We have lots of maps, flags of all different countries, and it's Christmas right now, so we have a Christmas tree.
Hello, my name is Mr. Schlatter. This is my fifth grade classroom. Go ahead and take a look around. We got a lot of fun things going on in here. If you notice up here, we have the classroom mascot, George. He's got a little birthday hat on. We celebrate the same birthday. So we got a space theme going on. We got some older kids here, so we like to induce some of that curiosity of space, things that are out there. So we got a lot of fun things going on here in fifth grade. So thanks for visiting.
Hi everyone, my name is Maya Bethay and I teach fifth grade. Take a look at my classroom. We have a fun camping corner over here, some raindrops, a math mountain center over here. Thanks so much for taking a look around.
Here is our lunchroom. This is where we come, we get some lunch. We have the most fantastic lunch ladies that serve us every day. We are so lucky.
Hi, I'm Sierra Cover.
Hi, my name's Ed Fusco, and we were both mild moderate special education teachers here at Buffalo Ridge Elementary. And here's our room.
This is where we pull small groups of students to work on reading, writing, and math.
So take a look. That's about it.
Hope to see you next year.
Okay, bye.
Hi, this is Amelia Grazer. I'm the SSN teacher here at Buffalo Ridge, and this is my room. So as you can see, I have a lot of different things for kids, and I work with all the kids that have special needs. Thank you.
Hi Herd, I'm Ashley Connor and I am one of the speech language pathologists here at Buffalo Ridge. Let's look at my room. So over here we have my side, and I pull groups at this little table here. And over here we have the other speech therapist, which I'm sure you'll meet soon.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Tomasulo and I am one of the speech language pathologists here at Buffalo Ridge. Welcome to our school. This is my room along with the other speech pathologist's room. She's right over there. So to give you just a little tour, over here is our calendar, and then we have our student goal cards over here. These are our sticker charts for students to monitor their progress and number of times they've come. And this is where we do our sessions. We look forward to meeting you. Thank you.
Good morning, I'm Karen Breisinger. I'm the reading interventionist at Buffalo Ridge Elementary. So basically I help students and general education teachers with struggling readers. So let's see, on one wall I have the alphabet, the sound cards from the Wharton Gillingham, and on the other walls I have digraphs, whether they're vowel or consonant, or controlled vowels, things like that, some other materials, and I guess that's about it. Oh, except for the word jail. We have the word jail over there, words that you can't automatically decode easily. That's about it. Thanks for stopping by.
Hi, welcome. We're the English language development teachers here at Buffalo Ridge Elementary School. My name is Melissa Briones.
And I'm Mrs. Miller. If you speak a different language and would like to be on our cultural tree, come and see us.
See you all soon. Bye.
Hi, I'm Sarah Gatewood. I'm in charge of enrichment and advanced learning at BRE. This is our space this year. Got a lot going on in here. Lots of kids come through, kindergarten through 5th grade. We do reading, writing, and math, and social emotional. Thanks and welcome.
Hi, I'm Elizabeth Jordan. I'm the occupational therapist here at Buffalo Ridge. Here is my room. We've got lots of stuff. We've got games, and we work on fine motor skills and also accommodations for sensory needs.
I'm Chantel Albert. I am the school psychologist here at Buffalo Ridge, and this is my room.
Hi, this is Lena Kelly. I'm the early childhood teacher at Buffalo Ridge Preschool. This is our classroom. Here's our circle. And right now in dramatic play, we have an airport. And this is our block area. And this is our room. We have a morning preschool and we have an afternoon preschool, and we are a play-based preschool. We'd love to have you join. Thank you.
Guys, my name is Paul Brandt. I'm with Buffalo Ridge Base Program. This is the cafeteria. We spend most of our time. You probably may see them. We have Miss Susan here, Miss Kirsty, and Miss Kinley helping us out today too.
Okay, so ready. 1,